Have you seen the ads claiming the AirZuma Portable AC can cool an entire room in just 30 seconds while cutting your electricity bill by up to 90%? Those promises definitely sound impressive, but do they actually hold up in the real world? After looking closely at the product, its design, marketing, and the claims surrounding it, the results tell a much more realistic story. Despite being advertised as a portable air conditioner, AirZuma does not appear to use the compressor-based cooling technology found in genuine air conditioners. Instead, it functions much more like a compact evaporative air cooler that blows air through a wet filter, which may provide a slight cooling sensation if you're sitting nearby. But it should not be expected to cool an entire room the way a real AC can. There is also no independent engineering data or verified performance testing available to support the bold claims about cooling speed or energy savings. Another concern is the marketing itself. With polished advertisements, questionable customer testimonials, AI-generated promotional content, and constant limited-time discounts that seem designed to create urgency rather than provide real value. Digging deeper also reveals that products with nearly identical designs are widely available from Chinese marketplaces like Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu for around $10 to $15. While AirZuma is often sold for $90 to $100 or even more under different brand names. Similar versions have appeared before with different logos and packaging, and many buyers of those earlier models reported that the performance did not match the advertising. That doesn't necessarily mean every buyer will have a bad experience, but it does suggest you should keep your expectations realistic. If you're looking for personal cooling at a desk or bedside, a small evaporative cooler may offer some relief in the right conditions. However, if you're expecting the power and performance of a true portable air conditioner, the available evidence simply doesn't support those marketing claims. Before spending your money, it's worth comparing the features carefully and making sure you're buying a product that matches your expectations rather than the advertising hype.